Hi, I'm Steve from Chemline, and as part of Chemline's commitment to excellent customer service, I'm going to show you how to disassemble your Probler P2 gun. First, I'd like to show you some features on the P2. Here's your safety, your on and off for the A and B side, and your air on and off. The grease zerk fitting is here, and your tip. To take it apart and put it back together, you need a few wrenches, 2 ball drivers, an Allen wrench, a crescent wrench, and some small drill bits. These will be your side blocks, ISO, and resin, and we're going to take them off with the ball driver. Unscrew the screw on the B side block, and it comes right off. The same with the A, that's marked ISO. Then take the tip off with the 1/2-inch wrench or an adjustable wrench. Take the insert out from under where the tip is. This would be soaked in solvent and then cleaned with a drill bit. Then you take the gun block off by unscrewing the 2 screws on the handle with the ball driver. These screws are different size than the side block screws, so don't mix them up. And there is your mix chamber. You have your mix chamber here and a O-ring here. To take your mix chamber off, secure your crescent wrench at the base of the post that the mix chamber is mounted on. You'll need to be extra careful that the sides that the wrench touches on the mix chamber are not the sides where the small orifice are. Then use a 1/2-inch wrench to loosen the mix chamber, and then you can unscrew the rest by hand. There's your mix chamber. To disassemble the A side block, use an adjustable wrench to take the check valve out. On the other side of the check valve, there's an O-ring and the filter screen. You remove the screen, take the ball from the spring out from the A side block. Always put it on a soft cloth so you don't lose your ball. Now I'll move on to the side seals. Use the 1/2-inch wrench or adjustable wrench to loosen and take out the side block retaining nut, which holds the actual side block. We can pop that out of the retaining nut, then take out the spring and the seal. Then clean out all the orifice with solvent, soft brush, and drill bits for all small holes. Thanks for watching this video from Chemline. Click here to watch the next video in our series, The Cleaning of Your Probler P2 Gun, or head to chemline.net to learn about our services. You can also subscribe to get more videos in our series by hitting the bell icon on YouTube.